And welcome back to the Savvy Reseller. Got Stanley here. Put him down. It's been a nuisance, Barky. Normal. Anyway, I've got a pair of scissors, which can only mean one thing. Another bundle delivery. So this one is from Vintage Wholesale. I had one before, the cargo trousers, which were really good. Now, Billy picked these ones, so I'm blaming him before we start. But wax jackets. So 25 wax jackets, unbranded. So it cost me £86, which means a £3.44 each. So let's see what we've got. And he did try and get in here before, says, can we just look at one? No, on video. Let's have a look. Dare I do this? You'll be able to tell by my face if I'm impressed or not. I've got 2 boxes. It shouldn't take me forever because there's only 25 of them. But I have no idea what these are like. Just that the wax jackets and they're unbranded. Well, actually not unbranded, are they? Right. That's the first one. Alright, it's like a bomber jacket. But it has got it's like a weird smell. Amante de Mar since 1959. I don't know what that is. It looks alright. I'm going to sling them on the floor. Next one. The brown one. Kind of like fitted toddles. And that is, I've got like a leather one. The original Drizzabone, the Australian legend. That's a XS. So that's that one. That's alright. Not technically unbranded, are they? I thought there'd be nothing there. Probably what it means it's not like Barbaro. Next one. Quality Country and Leisure Wear. XXL. It's like a grey one. That's quite a big one, isn't it? Not bad condition either. Well, I had a good look through them, but... And we've got... I guess I funny smell that wax jacket stuff, innit? Yeah. A Rambler. Size has gone off that what it looks for it. Oh no, it's medium. Rambler. Next one, it's a grey one. Look at that. That one, you've seen it before me, is a McOvis Watchers wetter jacket. Made in Great Britain. That's strange because I thought these were normally like American stock. That's that one. That might be alright. Yeah, £3.44, you can't go wrong, can you really? As the man himself tells me. Next one, I wonder if that's same, is, I can't see its name on there, it's faded, but it's an XL. There's nothing really on that one. Unless there's another tag somewhere. God, these are done. Do you know, 2 boxes, they were really heavy. That's got a bit of marking on it. Yeah. I mean, I think wax jackets do go like that. There's a bit of marking on that one. And that is a... No idea. It's a 46. France, Italy 50. Something else a 44. But I will go through them as I'm listing them. Just going to hang them up, I think. Next one. That one. And that is a St Mark's. Not St Michael's, St Mark's. It's got a St Mark's badge on that bit. It's a medium. And that's a label. A green one. Hey, you get a good selection of colours, don't you, in here? This one is an active wear. Green one. Another brown one with an hood. Drizzer bone, made in Australia, Parker. That's quite nice, isn't it, actually? What do you think? I quite like that one. Not that I'm a wax jacket person, but navy blue one. Big one. And that one is a Glen Green. You might have heard of some of these names, I haven't. I'm not sure if they had hoods on them, look, 'cause they've got pressed hoods up back. But no hoods. And last one in that box is that one, which is Stones. That's nice. Quite a nice one. So box one, done. Box two is let's crack on with this one. Is an RS Original Royal Spencer. I don't know what that one is. I'll Google some of these names. Another brown one. That's quite nice. Small one, don't know if that's a woman's. It's a 28, so it's a woman's, I think. Country style. That's quite nice. Very small, it's tiny. Whew. Then I've got a Westfield. Again, another quite a big one. Got a few marks on the back of that one, but it's fine. I like the colour variation. Dark green. This one is a DL. Special material, original garment from DL. That one. It's stuck. It's alright. They're £3.44. They're a bargain, aren't they? I just need to sell them now. Next one up. That one. That's a big one. Is Oxford Outdoor Wear by Oxford Blue. It's a large. He wants to try that one on. She'll see me going like that. He's like, I'll have that one. Another green one. And that is, I don't know, Decathlon XL. See, this Vintage Wholesale, I thought it all come from America. It obviously doesn't. Come from all over. We've got like a maroony browny colour. There's lots of black on this one. Like when I say black, I mean like that. And that is original British country wear, designed by J. Hamilton. That's that label. Oh, another green one. It's got a little leather tab on there as well. Who makes this one? Penfield, size small. Oh, that's a bit jazzy, isn't it? Look at that. Don't know if that, I think that's cotton, not wax. Jumper. And jumper. That's jazzy, but I don't think that's, not sure if that's a wax jacket or not. Feels, no, imagine that's got a feel to it. Next one Waxberry XL. That was quite big as well, wasn't it? And a couple more left now, that's it. This one's dirty. Oh, it's a gilet. And that is Stones. Whatever Stones is. Bit different. I don't mind a gilet. For £3, whatever it were. 2 left now. 2 left. What we got? Navy blue one. And this is Original Royal Spencer. That one. And the last one. Whew, what we got here? That has got an hood. Is a, let's down that bit. Royal Windsor, Great Outdoor Originals, designed and handmade in England, coveted and worn worldwide, it says on that label. About that. So, that's my 25 jackets, wax jackets. Oh God, I'm running out of room. My daughter comes back from uni next week, she's finished. So I've currently got under a window stuff stored in boxes there. I'm going to have to shift it. I'm in trouble. So, yeah, £86 for all that lot. My mountain. There. So what do you think? Oh, that's a bargain for it were. Yeah. So, happy with that. So until next time, love you and leave her. Don't forget to like, comment, and let me know. There's a comment, make me feel like I'm not talking to myself. And I'll see you next time.